Hey brats, welcome back to the channel, and today we've got something big to check out. Not to unbox though, because it didn't come in a box. This is the Navitech PSVR travel case. It's a new design. I actually had one of the old ones. The old one was like a big boxy kind of briefcase looking thing. It looked like it was definitely something else that was repurposed for PSVR. This has been designed specifically for it, or potentially other VR headsets. So let's open it up, check it out, and see what it's like. So first, we're gonna get all this plastic off real quick. It was hard to get that one off. All right, so looks basically just like a hard shell backpack. This side's got like a fake carbon fiber look. I'm not personally a huge fan of the fake carbon fiber. I know it'd be too expensive to do real carbon fiber, but then I'd rather just be like a solid black plastic or something. Like, why imitate? So this part opens up, and we've got more zippers. So you've got spots here in the top. Really, this could be just a backpack at this point. Let's see if it's got something specifically for the VR built in here. Interesting. So, at first glance, I've got to say, I do not care for this one as much as the old one. So even though the old one was a square case that looked like it could have been repurposed from something else, when you opened it up, it had a specific spot for a Move controller and the processing box and the headset. It was round with shape, just like it was all perfectly designated out. This, when you look at that, where the hell are you even going to put a PSVR headset in there? Like, I guess you're gonna have to, these all come off and stuff, but like, this is not in any way, I would say, custom designed for the PSVR, or even VR in general. These pouches are all too small to get your headset in there, right? So, interesting. Yeah, this is really just a hard shell compartmentalized backpack that will provide you some protection, not nearly the protection the last one would. So far, I've got to say I'm not a fan of this one, but let's try it out. Let's see what we've got here. The fact that you can carry it on your back, I guess, is nice. Man, I'm disappointed right now. I am really disappointed looking at this thing. So let's try and figure out how the hell we're even going to get a PSVR in here. I guess if we take these two out, and if we unhook this one and put this here, I guess we can like put this there. And even then, that's putting pressure on top of this. This is not a VR case. Maybe this could be an Oculus Quest case because the Quest is so flat. Man, you look at that, and that is the tallest point of it, and yet the PSVR won't really fit there. I'm gonna take this back. We're gonna give them every benefit of the doubt here. So like if we just took all this padding out and put this in there, look at that. That is not going to easily zip and keep your PSVR safe. In fact, you're putting an unnecessary amount of pressure on it if you were to fully close this right now. So, wow. I am heartbroken. Navitech, come on, guys. Well, let's take a look at the ad and see how they show this thing packaged in there. It shows this thing looking a lot more proper. So it shows the PSVR sitting face up, aimed forward to where this should just close. Oh my gosh. I am sad, I'm disappointed, and I'm a little pissed. I wouldn't even be able to fit this in there. I would have to tighten this thing down and put pressure on the headset. Like, this is terrible. Their first pack was way better than this. They had perfectly made it to where a Move controller would fit on each side of the PSVR. The headset would set in the middle, and then there was a spot for the processing unit, the camera, everything fit in there perfectly. Well, Navitech, a huge disappointment. Not even just a disappointment. I would say this is verging on misleading the customer. Because as I keep showing you, like, I can't, this is not, no matter where I put it in this thing, it's putting pressure on it to close. Like I'm having to push this shut like a suitcase, which you don't want to be doing with your VR headset. So, wow. There will not be a link in the description to this. I will not be recommending it. And in fact, I will be disputing this purchase with Amazon and returning this because that is just misleading. So I've had good luck with Navitech in the past. So this is a disappointment to see their company take a turn like this, but hey, I guess maybe they went for this case because it was cheaper or they thought it looked cooler. I don't know, but it's definitely a majorly disappointing thing. So, take that for what it's worth. If you wanted the case, you could probably use it for a smaller headset, but they showed this for the PSVR with the PSVR in it. So I feel misled and kind of betrayed. So screw you, Navitech. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Let me know what you think in the comments if you had luck with other Navitech purchases or if you've been shafted too. I will see you in another reality.